In this video, we will show you how to calculate fractions of a whole given the whole. To calculate a fraction of an amount, we divide the amount by the denominator and then multiply by the numerator of the fraction. If the fraction is a unit fraction, like 1/2, this means that we only need to divide by the denominator, because the numerator is always 1. Let's look at an example. We want to calculate 2/3 of 210. First, we divide 210 by the denominator, which in this case is 3. This shows us what 1/3 is. 210 divided by 3 is 70. Then we multiply this number by the numerator, in this case 2. This shows us what 2/3 is. 70 times 2 is 140. So 2/3 of 210 is 140. So when you need to calculate a fraction of an amount, remember to divide the amount by the denominator and then multiply the result by the numerator.